You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
So now for the next lab, we'll be deleting some virtual machines. So the first amongst them is going to be Nita Edge 01. So I'm going to quickly power off this machine. Now I know this sounds good. This goes against completely everything that I've said so far, that do not power it off like this. But since we are deleting the machine, it doesn't really make too much of a difference. So I'm going to right click the machine, click on Manage, and click on Delete from Disk. VMware will give me a notification and a warning that, hey, if you do this, you cannot get the machine back ever again. I say yes, it's okay. Now that is done. The next machine that I'm going to delete is going to be Nita EXEH02. This is my Exchange server. So just so that everybody knows that this is the right machine here, Nita EXEH02. Okay, perfect. So I'm going to power off this machine as well. I'm going to power off this virtual machine as well. And once it's powered off, I'm going to right click the machine, click on Manage, click on Delete from Disk and say yes. Now I know it kind of physically hurts to delete these virtual machines after spending so much time and so much energy and effort creating them, but it is necessary to do this for the next infrastructure here. This is Edge 02, which is also going to get the same treatment. Power off and right click, manage, delete from disk. Yes. So now that leaves us with roughly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 virtual machines out of 8. So that is the end of the lab here, in which we deleted all virtual machines that were necessary or that were required for us to be deleted. Now after this lab, we will be moving into a newer infrastructure that is talking more about, say the best way of putting it is basically Forest Trust to create linked mailboxes. That is the idea behind this entire section. So that is what we are going towards, and I'll see you in the next lab when we start working on this.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.